Hey guys, did you knew that sometimes you would be rejected because you did not interview the interviewer? Surprisingly, yes. There are few chances when you are rejected because you have not asked any question. Being so much experienced, you do not have any questions surprises them. So today we will discuss what are the few questions that you can ask and what are the questions you should definitely not ask during the interview. So quickly, let's get started. So first let's see what you should definitely not ask. There are many, but I have listed few important don'ts that you should not ask. So first thing is salary. Do not show how desperate you are to know how much they're going to offer you. Once all the rounds of interviews are completed, they will definitely come to this question because at the end of the story, we all do it for the salary. Next question that you should not ask is tell me about the company. No, this is something you are supposed to know based on your research once you know that you're going for this company for the interview. Instead, you can ask them about the product they are launched. You can just ask questions on what was the profit of the company or what level their company stands and so on. And the next question that you should not ask is working hours. By default, you are supposed to be flexible whenever the project requires because that's how the company grows and that's how you grow in terms of money. So these were few do not ask questions. Let's see what you should definitely ask. So let's see what to ask. Now there are two situations. One, you know that you have cleared the interview, or the other thing would be you're not sure, they have not confirmed you whether you have cleared your interview. So instead of asking whether you have cleared or no, you can ask what is the next process. So they will may say that okay, this was the last round or something. Then you can ask when can I expect a call from you. So in this way, you will get to know whether you have cleared this round or they will say we will get back to you. So let's see what they say. Next is if you're sure that you have cleared, they have confirmed you, then you can ask them what are the skill sets that you need to brush upon before joining the company. Next is you can ask insight on the team. If there are few recruitments, like one or two recruitments, then they know that in which position they are going to put you once you are into the team. So if they have idea, they will definitely walk through over the team they have, and that will be a good sign. Next is ask about training, because few companies only give importance on work, and few do give importance on the trainings, which may include your personal development or your skill sets. Only work, work, work would give you experience. But what about your trainings? Because we have to be adapted to the trending technologies and skill sets that is going on. Next is events. You can also ask about events like social causes, the cultural activities. If you are interested in all this, you can definitely ask this question. Next, you can also ask feedback upon your interview process. This will be good because you will get to know what are your strengths and weakness, and maybe you can improvise them and improve on that. Next are the challenges. You can just ask them what are the challenges in the existing team, or why did the person, who put the paper and you're regretting me for him or her, why did he put paper? You can just generalize this question at the end and ask whatever you want. Next, you can ask about the work from home options, the leaves, etc. Although there will be an induction round, so you can keep it for that. But in case there is time and interviewer is willing to take few more questions, then you can go for these questions as well. But at the end of the story is you should definitely ask something. You should not say that, okay, I'm good. No, you should definitely ask few questions and make the interaction very friendly and nice. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video.